My Ryobi electric mower won't start, though it did when I put it away last winter. The battery is charged. The handle is extended fully and locked, as required by instructions, but the engine won't start. Do I need a new mower?
Have you replaced parts of your Ryobi lawn mower before? If so, how long ago?
No. I haven't even used it that much. I bought it refurbished from Home Depot.
How long has this been going on with your Ryobi lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
This is the first time I've used the mower this spring. There was no problem previously. I've read the online manual, looked at YouTube videos, recharged the battery, checked connections as instructed in the manual troubleshooting. The mower moves forward automatically okay, but the cutting blade's not engaged by the motor.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Don't think so.
Hi, my name is Me. Review the issue, and I will be more than happy to help resolve it as quickly as possible. I will return in under 5 minutes. Sounds like the engagement switch went bad or the motor to engage. We'll have to open machine up and test for continuity.
Should I take the machine to Home Depot or somewhere? I'm not sure who in my Westport CT area services Ryobi electric mowers. What tools will I need? Should open up the motor housing before I phone you.
I would take you to a service center near you if you are not familiar with the inside of an engine.
Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.